Hello there, my name is Emin EMCsoft, and in this video I want to present our new update for CallCenter24. This new update is about power dealing. So we actually added two functions. Power dealing, which is dedicated mainly for outsourced sales, like you got somebody outsourced and you got somebody who make a sale outsource, and this user is not connected direct to Bitrix and has no access to Bitrix, and that salesman should make calls by contacts one by one or by leads one by one. And also we got another function, another license, Predictive Dealer. Predictive Dealer is mainly for the users who work in a company constant base as a salesman, and you want to save their time and make their sales time more effective, and they got access to your Bitrix and may manipulate with your leads, like move a stage manually and set up to which leads they want to call first and so on. And the main difference is that they got very complicated compared to power dealing interface, and they via this interface you do the call simultaneously to many users, to many clients. So it means that you can select number of clients you want to call in the same time. Like for example, you can call to 50 clients in the same time, and if from that list which client will pick up the phone first, then it will be connected to your agent. The rest clients will go on hold, and then you do Predictive Dealer in more effective and faster way. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the CallCenter24. Go to Power Dealing menu, and then go to Power Deal License and click New Assignment. Go inside of a license and need to select stage where from you want to collect leads to make a call. Not you, your agent. So you as an admin, you set up where from your agent shall take leads for call. So for example, I created a special stage, test to call. I will take leads for call from that stage. If I'm assigned leads is good, it should be to the call done stage. If it's bad, to the junk lead stage, and call back later to call back later stage. And also you can create custom stage and set up that custom stage to physical stage in your Bitrix where should to move after the call. Right, so then you need to select user, it will be myself, then generate link, then save that settings. Right, so when you need to copy that link and give that link to your agent to make a call, and that agent will see the leads for call only where he is responsible person. That means that go to the CRM, you for example from test to call stage, your agent should to take a lead for call, but your agent should be responsible for that leads. For example, I'm responsible to that leads, that's why I see that leads. If for example I will move that lead to another responsible person, to Frida for example, and we'll save it and I will update, you'll see that I got only one lead to call. Okay, I will put it back. Right, and then I refresh. Okay, I'm start calling, start power dealing. So you start calling, and you can pause the call at any time to click on this blue button. It will pause the call, and then you grab your cup of coffee. You can start calling again. Okay, after the conversation you can stop the call by clicking by this red button, and you need to decide if that was good conversation, bad conversation, call back later. So for example, I will put as a good lead. Okay, and once I move to a good lead, power dealing start call to another contact immediately. Right, and if I go back to my CRM, I see that lead move to that stage. Right, and I got only one lead to call. So when your agent start calling, you can use the filters here. You can select responsible person, and by responsible person you can see the list of calls he already done, call back later, or junk lead, or any other stages you want. Okay, so starting calling again, so it's calling to another phone number. Hello, and I'm doing the call, I'm finishing the call, and bad lead to call back late, for example, call back later. And once finished and we have no leads, just this green button, and that means that you have nothing to call further. Okay, you go back to lead, you can refresh, you got call back later and call down stages. Okay, I will put it back And also by Power Dealing, you got standard functionality of our call center, which is call center bot. So you got everything fixed, record, summary, as usual, right? Right, now Power Dealing is a bit easy, so I will delete that license, save it, and then I go to Predictive Dialing license. Okay, so Predictive license is a bit more complicated. I need new assignment, go inside, and the same story. So I'm selecting stage where from to call. Then I need to select good stage, which is call done. Then bad stage, junk lead. Then call back later too. No answer. So in my case, it will be call back later too. And line busy, call back later, but it could be any other stages. Voicemail detected, call back later. Okay, then I need to select user, where's generate predictive dealing, and save. Right, you need to copy this link to your agent, and once he will click it, he will get that interface. Right, what that interface mean? Your agent, which a user who got access to your Bitrix, right? So for Power Dealing, your user has no access to Bitrix, but that predictive dealer users able to get access to the lead. So that means that he able to make a sorting and filtering inside of Bitrix, okay? But he able to select from which number he want to call. For in my case, I got only one number, but once you click it, you'll have a list of from numbers you want to call. For example, you can use different numbers for different regions. That's why that means that you can go back to the leads and sort, for example, leads by regions, by cities. For example, you want to call to a Texas state, for example, or Florida, and select phone number, for that particular states. Then that means that you may select how many clients you want to call in the same time. For example, you can put here number 10. That means that you want to call to 10 clients in the same time, okay? And calls will be go to them for 60 seconds, 1 minute. Means that after that, if nobody pick up during 60 minutes, that means that no answer. What means retry attempts? That means that once you didn't reach the client during 60 seconds, and it was busy, answering machine detected, but it is still in the list for calls. So it put it back to from top to bottom list, and you will call back them later, okay? But you will call him later after 300 seconds, right? Or could be any other number you want to put. After 300 seconds, you call him again, then you're doing the call. If nobody pick up the phone again, my system will call him after 300 seconds again, but it will be last attempt. If after third attempt nobody will pick up, lead move to the, in my case, it will call back stage. Okay, what detect answer machine means that if it's off, that means that if somebody will say hello, or it doesn't matter, answer machine will say, you reach, this person, call automatically will be forwarded to your agent. If you will be on, our IE agent will identify that this is an answering machine and will send a pre-recorded video, which I will talk later. Right, why we got these options? Because once somebody says hello, there is some delay, like half of a second, when our IE agent decides is that answering machine or real person, right? And our clients doesn't like that delay. That's why you have an option not use our IE agent, okay? So then you able to select from which phone numbers to select for call. So you should to select here inside of a contact. If we go back to a contact, you can have many phone numbers, and they have type, so work phone, mobile, and etc. And here you decide which phone number to use first: mobile, work, fax, and other. Okay, you can move them around which one you want to use first. Okay, then answering machine, you can create pre-record some audio for this answering machine. So it's quite boring when you reach the client and talking to him and saying the same thing like this is Amin from EMCsoft, or I'm reaching regarding this and this. Quite boring, but you can record it once. Okay, like hello there, my name is Amin, EMCsoft. I'm calling you regarding our telephony solution CallCenter24. Okay, let's record it. Like hello there, my name is Amin, EMCsoft. I'm calling you. And once you've done that record, so after the initial call, which we will do, you can just send that MP3 file to your client. So you save your time and save your nerves. So when you've done all these settings, you can start a call. Also, that means that total leads collected for the call. Stop call. Then you have stop calling once you want to take a cup of tea. What means to start new session? Start new session means that, for example, during the call, some leads change stages. Means that, for example, you got list of leads for call from stage to call, and then your manager yourself uploaded new leads, right? But that will be not showing here. So to see that leads, you need to click start new session, right? And you will get new leads. For example, in my case, I changed the stage, and now I got 2 leads for call. So I'm doing start calling. So current wave, I'm calling to Frida and Emin in the same time. Okay. If I want to call, I want to see the details. I click open Bitrix and I see Bitrix details. Also, we can mute my microphone for some reason. And once I'll get to the voice machine, I can send audio. Okay. If I reach, for example, something like, please hit 1, hit 2, I can hit it here. Okay. Okay, then so it's finished, nobody pick up, and I put this test lead to good lead, it moved to the same as power dealing good lead, bad lead, callback, skip for now. So it doesn't change in the leads stages. Okay, and it will be good lead. I need to put these leads back to make a call. Alright, and I come back, come here. Start new session, and I'm calling. Okay, I'm calling in the same time. So this Frida applied and hang up and call. So I decided good lead, bad lead, and then decided good lead. And if I got other numbers, calling is continued.
No leads to call.
Okay, so
Goodbye.
I got leads call. Right, and also got some statistics. Attempted 1, completed 1. Quit 1, voicemail, no answer, busy, good back, call back, and so on. Okay, right, looks like very simple, and hope that you will enjoy our predictive dealing solution. So if you like that video, click like. If you got any questions regarding that particular predictive dealing solution, please answer your questions in comments under that video. Thank you and bye-bye.